so I just wanted to give a quick testimonial, a video testimonial. Hi, my name is Tembi, and I am a Linked Revolution alumni. Oh my goodness, the course was freaking amazing. Okay, so here's the thing. I completely trust Daniel with all of my being. Like, I first looked at LinkedIn. I don't know, I bought a few courses on LinkedIn, and I was like, who would ever want to do LinkedIn? LinkedIn is so freaking boring. Like, no, seriously. Like, I'm a total YouTuber. Like, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, right? Like, total YouTuber. I was like, yeah, no ways. I'm not doing LinkedIn. It's so freaking boring. And then I took Linked Revolution. And I am addicted to LinkedIn. I'm so addicted to LinkedIn now. Like, I literally have LinkedIn on my phone. I have an app on LinkedIn. I'm like, oh my goodness, like, I've gone old. Like, well, that was my thought. LinkedIn was for old people. But anyway, I have to say that the way Daniel teaches, his courses are freaking amazing. They are created from a place of authenticity and a place of love. And I love his mission and his motto for doing business and like really bringing humanity back into business. I think that's what sort of YouTube created and was able to master. And the way Daniel teaches and Daniel's spirit, Daniel's humanity, just who he is as a person, I totally fell in love with him. I totally fell in love with the way of doing business. I've always believed and always known that business is more about being authentic and just really partnering up with people and only working with people who you really like and collabing with people who you like, right? And I mean, it was just so in alignment with Linked Revolution. So I trust everything that he creates. And if I wasn't super busy right now, I would buy all of his courses. But as a result of Linked Revolution, I have become increasingly busy, like totally busy. I'm going into contract with one of the biggest casinos in Las Vegas, so I probably can't talk about it too much, but that is a result of Linked Revolution. I'm totally grateful for Daniel sharing his experience and his LinkedIn wizardness. I would have been still stuck on YouTube. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with LinkedIn only because of Linked Revolution. So trust Daniel. He is truly a soul bird that should have been born years ago, right? Because just the way he does business and the way and who he is and the way he shows up and the way he teaches and coaches is so loving and so supportive. Everyone should have a coach like Daniel. So I'm so grateful, Daniel. Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of Linked Revolution. It was truly one of the best decisions I made. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, and I love Linked Revolution and the alumni in Linked Revolution. And everything else you create, I know will be freaking amazing. Big kisses! Mwah!